Well, I cleaned the filter on her and disinfected the handle, the base. So she smells a little better now. Would love to do a full house run, but I fortunately can't because I've got a big fair to go to tomorrow, so I've been busy packing and everything. And I think this week I'm also going to do an update on this whole thing here, see how he's doing. I just might even do a house run because I haven't vacuumed in weeks because I've been very busy with video games and carnivals and stuff. So hopefully I'll have some time to do that this weekend. But my old girl's doing well in July 2026. And she's a little cleaner now than she was when I first got her. Sorry, Matt. See? The filter's clean. Almost clean. There's still some dirt in there, eh? Haven't been able to get out yet.